This is a review for this 30-inch fridge freezer combo or portable fridge slide out rack. It's got this feature where these sidebars, they lock into place, and you got these two levers, one on each side, lock it back into place when you lock it back in. It came with 8 sets of screws. I think they're like M10 maybe. There are some different points by which you can install this. The way I'm going to do this installation is along each side here. There's 4 holes on each side. There's also 2 holes on each of these 2 crossbars as well. But I'm probably not going to use those. I think the long way will work best for me because of where I have it on this platform and the slide out action. This is supposed to be rated up to 287 pounds at a full slide out. So far this slide out seems to be made of pretty good quality. It's a pretty decent thickness of steel. Coating's real nice and everything. There are a couple different versions of it. Like I said, this is the 30-inch version of it. There's also another version by this company, SAMOUT, that has a cutting board underneath that can pull out additionally on top of the slide out of this. It wasn't something I wanted to have for my setup, so I didn't get that version. These are the dimensions for the 2 different versions of the SAMOUT fridge slides. The 30-inch fridge slide is 38.8 inches long by 20.5 inches wide on the exterior dimension, and the interior is 29.2 by 18.7 inches on the interior. Looks like about 19 inches of a cutting board if you were using the 30. The 40 is a little bit larger, obviously, 48.6 inches deep and 24.8 inches across on the exterior, and 39, a little bit of 39 by 22 on the interior dimension. So just double check the fridge that you're going to put in with one of these slides before purchasing to make sure you're buying the right one. I ended up purchasing some extra bolts because I needed some that were longer to go through this platform here. These are 35mm M6 flange head bolt. It came as a whole set with lock washers, regular washers, and nuts. I ended up using those instead of what came with it because of the size difference. I just ran 4 bolts along the edges here. I didn't end up doing the ones in the center. This is pretty strong with just the 4. I'm not worried about it. Yes, the way these slide outs work, there's a little latch here. You press it down to release it. There's one on each side. Press them both down and it frees up the slide out to roll out. And then there's like a secondary latch. You can hear the secondary latch click into place. So it's actually like a 2-stage. So I've got it out kind of halfway here and it stops it from going all the way in. And I have to press the buttons down again and then push all the way in. And once you get it in there, you got to make sure that you press it all the way in and then lock it into place so it doesn't come back out. The slide out comes out almost a full length of the mounting base here, maybe a couple inches less. And comes out about 28 inches. Just for measurement's sake, this is in a Gen 5 Toyota 4Runner that I built this in. And the seats are tilted all the way back, so there's still plenty of room for this 30-inch slide out in a 55-liter fridge. And it still clears the side here. And the fridge sticks up. It actually goes into the window area a little bit, but it's okay. Got my fridge freezer installed on the slide out. It turned out awesome. I really like the way that this thing operates. It seems like it's got a good quality to it. The slides work real well. They're nice and smooth, and lock function works really well. This is actually a 55-liter. It's an Ice Cove APL 55, I believe is the model number. It's about the maximum size I can get on this deck that I built, and with the slide out, it works out really well. It came with 4 of these straps, or just the metal ones that you kind of grip on with the teeth there. But it works out awesome. You just push these little tabs down, and it slides out real nice. It's got enough clearance for me to open up the cooler, get whatever I need out, and then it's kind of effortless to just slide it back in, and it clicks back into place. Definitely recommend this fridge slide from SAMOUT. Worked out great for me.